I'm Tom from Do It Yourself Home Automation, and this is a look at my Novostella Blink RGB floodlights. So this is a really neat Bluetooth controlled floodlight. It uses 25 watts. So it's quite bright. 25 watts of an LED is probably around 200 watt equivalent to a traditional floodlight. So it's enough power to light up the side of your house, to light up a backdrop really well, even to use as kind of stage lighting. And you can see what it comes in is this little package. This is illuminated right now. We're in bright sunlight, and it's still plenty bright enough that you can see the bulbs inside of there. At night, it's enough to light up the whole side of my house. If my dog was here at night, it would light him up as well. And you can see that it's quite a bright light, because again, you can see it even though we're in full sun now. But those bulbs in there are also controllable from within the Novostella app. There's a smart lighting app you can download, and you can actually customize the light and switch it on and off and control it. And you can cycle through or change to any of 16 million colors. So this is great for Halloween or Christmas or any kind of holiday where you want to light up the side of your house in a festive color scheme. If you have multiple of these, this is a 2-pack. So you get this is the one I've installed. I've got another one over here that I haven't set up yet. Really easy. You just pair it with your phone app to do that control. And again, you can choose between any of 16 million colors. If you just want a white floodlight for everyday use, then you can also just select any of the different light color temperatures. So you can have a really bright bluish light that's more like a daylight, or you can have what I have here, which is a warmer light, light up the side of your house, give it a nice inviting look, and also add to security, just better visibility outside your home at night. So other nice things with these lights, again, they are quite compact. They have these nice little heat sinks on the side that dissipate the heat, and they're very secure. They're also waterproof, so you can have them outside, and even if there's rain or anything, it's not going to be a problem for the light. So obviously that's really important for an outdoor floodlight. The other thing that's nice, installation is super easy. Again, you sync it to your phone, but then it just plugs in my case, into an outdoor outlet. And then I just have it angled. You can connect it using this bracket down to a wooden base if you want to do that. Just screw it into something. I find that mine works fine just over here on my retaining wall. And I can angle this again and point it at the side of the house and light everything up and give this nice kind of accent lighting, and light up the area around my gate over here, so if anyone wanted to come in at night they could see, and also again for that security lighting. You can also do some cool functions. I think on a day-to-day basis it's nice. You can switch these on from your phone at night, but you can also use them as accent lights for, again, like a festival or a party. One thing that's nice with that is that you can connect these up and have them respond to music from your phone. So you're playing music on your phone, you can sync them and they'll actually change and pulse and everything to the music. So great for lighting up the sides of your outside of your house, or the walls, or even indoors during a party, to get that kind of colorful and interesting accent lighting. And in terms of the range, I found it's really good. It has this professional antenna, and if you have multiple of these, you can actually synchronize them together and they'll signal each other, and it expands your range in kind of like a mesh network. And so that really enhances the range of control that you have to switch all of your lights at once, or have a big network of these around a larger house, whatever you want to do with it. There's also a hub you can get that allows for more advanced control options. So I think this is a really cool light. Again, I'm using it just on a regular basis to light up the side of my house here and by the gate, but I look forward to using it to set kind of a festive color scheme, and particularly using 2 lights to set multiple color schemes, different parts of the house in different colors for holidays and that kind of thing. A Novostella floodlight, and thank you to Novostella for sending these to me to try out.